Hi everybody, and welcome to True Wants, where here we try to help you make that decision if it's going to change from a want to a need. If you are new to my channel, I really hope you will choose to subscribe. It's free and it's easy. It's the red button that you'll see right underneath this video. If you press it and it turns gray, you're in. It's that simple. There's also that bell beside that subscribe button that I always recommend that you press. It's called the notification bell. And what ends up happening is YouTube will notify you just once that I have uploaded a brand new video. I do upload a lot, and sometimes my videos are time sensitive, so I don't want you to miss out. So make sure to press that subscribe button, ring that bell, and you'll be in the know. Also in that same area, there is a thumbs up, and that's where you guys come in. If you enjoy the content and that I make so much of it, please take a second to hit that thumbs up. It will turn blue, the number will increase, and that's you helping True Ones get noticed on this huge YouTube platform. So I'm thanking everybody in advance for that thumbs up. Okay guys, this is really, really exciting. This is a box that I started to purchase for my channel. Already it's got to be at least a half a dozen times, and each month has been really, really amazing. What I like about this box, and the one that we're talking about here, is called AIA Beauty Bundle, and it's the American Influencers Bundle. And what this box is different than other boxes that I receive, they are always a takeover box. And it changes. So it goes, sometimes it's a full makeup, sometimes it is skincare, sometimes it's hair care, and so on and so on. So this month they are featuring Lurella. The other thing that this box does, if you follow them on Instagram, which is what I do, you will know before the beginning of the next month, they give you all the sneak peeks of everything that is going to be in the box. So if you choose to get it, you can, and if you choose to skip it, you can. But you know me on my channel, if I choose to go with a box, I have not skipped yet on any of my subscriptions. If I'm in all the way. So we will be able to share every little item that's in here. I'm gonna try to swatch as much as I can. And like I said, there is so much in here. It is $38 a month and it's free shipping in the USA. When I unpacked this, as much as I knew the sneak peeks, I was blown away with what is in this box. So they have the card. On the back of the card, they have the descriptions with which helps us, as well as the actual retail price of this item. I am not familiar with the Lurella line, so this is going to be an introduction to me. I did use a couple of the items on my face today, the Eyeshadow Palette as well as the highlighter. So we will definitely do some swatching, and then I can share with you a little bit of my feelings on all of that. So starting with what is insane with this palette, this is the actual sleeve of the palette. Inside, this is the palette that is in there. There is, I think, a full mirror in here, I think. Yeah, there was a full mirror and everything. I will be swatching this. I'll show you the colors and everything right up front, but at the end, I'll be swatching everything. This is called the Voom, and what I'm gonna see if they wrote this here, but I definitely saw on the website. From my understanding, this is exclusive to this box. This says, get ready to take center stage with their new 18 color eyeshadow palette called Voom, which features matte and shimmer shades in light berries, cool notes, as well as muted gray tones. It says, steal the show with this flirty glam or spice up your more intense looks. It's not saying that on here, but that's what I thought. So please share with me in the comments if you know anything different. The retail value of this huge palette is only $26. So this is a very reasonable brand. And when I went on their website to try to find out a little bit, safety shield, more information about Lurella, I really couldn't find out much. You know, the About Us really didn't give us more information of who they were. It said something about a father and a daughter, but it really didn't give me more information of when it started, how it started, where it's manufactured, any of that. So if you know more about the brand, please take a minute to share it in the comments down below, because I always appreciate that information, as I'm sure others would as well. The next item that was in here is called the Facial Exfoliator. It came in this little cute carton here, and this is what it looked like here. It is such a unique looking product, and I was looking to see if there was an on switch or an off switch. So let's read what this is. This is only a $5 value, so this is solely what we are getting. There is no on switch or off switch, but there's so many different features in here. It almost has, like in the center here, it feels like you would use to clean brushes. Outside you have those silicone knobs, and then you have the little bit on the top here as well. So what they wrote about this, they're saying this is an exfoliating massage and cleanse all at once. It says, when paired with your favorite facial cleanser, this is a dual-sided scrubber with gentle and deeply cleansing your pores. So that is what this unique little gadget is. The next one here is these are really, really flamboyant in my world, eyelashes. And this is called the 3D synthetic eyelashes. They're saying these are $6. And because of the packaging, it is really, really glaring. And I apologize if that is affecting you guys. It says, with countless styles representing places all around the world, their selection of high quality synthetic eyelashes today will become your new must-haves. They are a 3D synthetic lash, and they're easy to apply and come in various styles to match your favorite look. Their website was filled with mystery boxes. They also have their own subscription box as well. So this other item in here that they put in this item here, which is a lash applicator. And they're saying this is a must-have tool to go along with all their lashes. It says you get the perfect alignment when applying false lashes with their lash applicator. They're saying it is a durable stainless steel design that allows you to take control anytime, anywhere on the go without the worry of breaking. So this time it is to lash out, and they're saying this is a $7 value. They also put a pair of scissors in here as well. And these scissors, they say, will trim your favorite falsies to get the right length for your new lashes. These scissors, they are the beauty tool that features a pointed tip to do the precise trimming and the clean cut that will make out it's made out of stainless steel, and this is a must-have for any lash lover, and they're saying these are an $8 value. They also had on the card here a glue, and this is also, I think, their brand, and it says this is called Flaunt Those Beautiful Falsies with your confidence using your everlasting eyelash glue. It has a precise brush wand that allows for easy and mess-free application, and it is a fast-drying formula. It is also latex-free and long-lasting, so your falsies will stay on securely all day long, and they're saying this is a $9 value. So that is this, and the little guy inside is this one here. I'm not gonna open it up because I'm not really a false lash girl, but with all these tools, at one point I'm gonna play, and that's when I will open this up. The next item in here is a highlighter, and it came in this beautiful packaging as well, a lot of glare, and inside is this packaging here. And this one says, this is the moment you've been waiting for is finally here. It says, let your glow on with this highlighter. This is a glowing highlighters are a must-have for every babe. With colors ranging from warm golds to the cool frost, you will glow no matter what the occasion. And they're saying this is only a $12 value. And this is huge. So the prices are very, very reasonable. It also has a mirror inside, but it has that covering on it so that when you peel it off, you will see the mirror. But I left it on simply because we're going to be showing this on camera. It does have their name on here, and this is what I did use on my face, but I will put a little bit on the back of my finger so you will see. I thought it would be too deep, but it really isn't. It really is a beautiful, beautiful highlighter. And when highlighters are this large, they are in your stash until you choose to take them out. And this is what it looks like there. So that is the highlighter. The next item that is in here is what I put on my lips today, and it came in this beautiful, also very mirrored compact, and then this is what was inside. And this is their liquid lipstick. It says, get ready to show off with their popular matte lipstick. This is a velvet lipstick. It is highly pigmented and beautiful, coats your lips with a lightweight texture. Its long-lasting formula provides smudge-resistant wear that will last for hours. It says pucker up and show them what you got. And this is only $10. This I really enjoyed. It is what's on my lips now. It is a dry formula, but it doesn't feel like it's drying out my lips. It goes on very matte, so you literally need one swipe, and that's what I did. I really didn't have to put the wand in again. It's a really small wand. It has a bit of a point to it, so it was easy to put it exactly where I wanted it to go. Like I said, it's not sticky. It goes on truly, like, to me, what a liquid lipstick should, that it stays on, it's easy to talk with, you don't have any of that stickiness, yet it gives you that matte effect. So, and it's such a pretty color, and that's what that is here, and that's what made me decide what top I was gonna put on, was solely based on this lipstick. The next thing that was in here blew my mind. This, I thought, was just going to be, and I saw it in the sneak peeks, and I really wasn't sure, because they go through them so quickly. This is the beautiful package that it comes in. This is called a neon brush set. It says pair your favorite cream powder brushes. These will be perfect, soft, and high quality. These are brushes. This is a classic 10-piece set that will include 5 face brushes, 5 detail brushes, that will suit your every makeup and your need, even your vanity or countertop. And they're saying this convenient travel bag is included. So when you open this up, and it has that cute little logo on it here in the toggle, it is that type of material that is like that vinyl that you could wash up very easily. And inside were all of these brushes. So like they said, you have face brushes, you have highlight brushes, you have all your eyeshadow brushes. So to me, this carries everything from your shader to your small blender, to your pencil, to a larger blender, to a smaller shader, to one that has that dual end where you can use for your eyebrows or your eyeliner with the spoolie on the other end. And then you have your kabuki type, you have your highlighter, you have an all over powder, as well as a blush brush. I should have used these when I was putting on my makeup, but I was so excited that the box arrived today. It is earlier than what it was anticipated, and based on the weather that we got here all weekend here in Florida, I thought for sure I wasn't going to be getting half of the products that I saw, half the tracking that I saw I didn't think was going to come, and yet this came early. So I'm going to swatch the eyeshadow palette for you guys, but like I said, I put it on my eyelids, and then I will share with you the colors that I chose. There's a lot of colors here that to me I felt were a little bit repetitive, but it is such a large palette that maybe that's what happens. But like I said, there's a full mirror on the inside here, and I will do my best to swatch these. But you can see by the little bit of fallout, the fallout was in the pan, but none of it was on the eyelids. So I wanted to do more of like the color that would match the lips. So I did the all over my shadow here, and I didn't put eye primer on today because I really want to see how it lasts all day. So if it's anything different or it fades throughout the day, I will leave it in the comments down below. But from what I saw and how everything blended, everything placed exactly where it should and blended beautifully and did not blend away. So really impressed with this. Based on the price and the amount of shades, I really didn't know what to expect, and I was really pleasantly surprised. The other colors that I gravitated to, I started with this one, then I added a little more of this one, and then I darkened up my outer corner and used this as my liner on the bottom. So now let's do some shades and we will see what's here. The names here, I'm going to try my best to put them up when I put my hand up here. So we have Auditions, we have Tassel, we have Vava Voom, and we have Dance. And the colors are so beautiful. And to me, this is a palette you'll be able to use all year long. So let me just wipe them off. And I have a dry towel right underneath it. There's two more that are on this line. So I'll just do these two. This one is called Sparkle, and this one is called Burlesque. So I will put them over here, and I will start the other ones the other way. And that is what those look like there. So like I said, they're really beautiful. They built up beautifully if the colors weren't, you know, as dark as you wanted. Then I'm gonna do these four here on the next line. So we have Theatrical, Stage, Musical, and Jazz. And the shimmers go on beautiful. I did it on its own. In the corner of my eyes, it was that bright. And then I did it also with one shade, and then on the other eye, I tried a different shade with spritzing it with one of those setting sprays, and it really didn't make a difference. It was just as vibrant on its own. And then there's two more on the second line here. This one is called Spotlight, and this one is called Strip. The colors are stunning. The names are so perfect for like a burlesque show. Really, really beautiful. And when I started, like I say, it's so different for me to not swatch first and then play with makeup, because then I get a better idea. So I know now which shades I'm gonna wanna gravitate to on here. There is one glitter in here, and it is this guy here. So this is called Act Tease. This is the one that's full on glitter. This is Extravaganza. And this one is called Opera House. And Opera House is the one that was the biggest surprise to me. I thought it was going to be like just a simple brown, and it's not. It is such a gorgeous mulberry type of brown. And that is one that I fell in love with. It is such a beautiful, unique color. Really, really impressed with that. And I love when there's one palette, when there's like one or two colors that are the type that are different than others, just in the tones. It is what I love. And then the last two on this line, one is called, I think, Extra, or let me see what I wrote. No, it's, sorry, Exotic. And the other one is called Shimmery. And those are those two here. So as you can see, everything It can be toned down, it could be brought darker. As you can see on my lids, I really pumped them up. They went on, like I said, with the first, it would have been more than enough. And then I wanted to deepen it up just a little bit, and it didn't overpower. It really just put that little bit more of an oomph. So the colors that you're seeing in the palette are the colors that I felt I saw on my eyes. The shimmer shades, the satin shimmer shades, are the ones that I gravitate to all the time. And I always like to use them as a pop of color. And it can really change your whole makeup look. So I started with the one that was more this gorgeous color over here in the rose type of scent, pretty much to match the shirt when I decided what I was gonna wear. And then in the outer corner, the inner corner, I brightened it up with this one here, which was so stunning as well. And then I wanted to give it a little bit more oomph, I thought. So I added that little bit of the gold one. And like I said, the colors, they complement each other. So even if you change your mind in the middle of the eye look, I really personally think you will see that it won't change it drastically, but it will give it a different little element to it. So that's what's fun about getting eyeshadow palettes, is we get to play and we get to also choose the colors. As long as the colors that are in here for me are ones that I'm comfortable with, then I like having extra colors that normally I wouldn't purchase for myself in these type of palettes when they're so large. And then you can really start gearing towards trying different looks with different colors. If you change your top, if you want to add a little green in, things like that. So I think this is absolutely fantastic. Like I said, blown away. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 items. If you don't consider all the 10 brushes that are in here, then we have like 19 items. Is that not insane? Like I said, this is one of the boxes that I enjoy so much because I really am a true blue Ipsy BoxyCharm girl. I get every Ipsy box and I get doubles of my BoxyCharms. I pay for all of those and I really don't need more. But this box was catching my eye for such a long time, and I finally dove in the fall. And it has been one that I have been enjoying every single month. So it sometimes takes me a long time to get a little bit out of my comfort zone. I love being able to see other boxes that are out there, which now I'm starting to, and I'm starting to share them on my channel as well, because every box has something unique to offer. And there's always these fantastic deals also, because with A1A, you can also buy previous boxes. So if it takes me a month or two to get through all of my Keys skincare, and now I want to replenish, I can do that by going on their website as well. So I really enjoy this A1A Beauty. Please share with me in the comments down below if this is a box that you get, or like me, you're still watching and you're not sure to take the dive. I'm telling you, I took the dive in and I think it has been an absolute winner, and it is one that I've been enjoying. So like I said, I'm now being introduced to a new brand called Lurella. Impressed with the products and the price point. And like I said, they have their own boxes and mystery boxes on their website as well. So that's something else that now is on my radar. So take care, everybody. Continue to stay safe and well, and I'll see you all soon again in my next video. But make sure to share in the comments, because that's my lifeline to you guys. I love to know your thoughts on this brand. If you know more information about this brand, if you've gotten their mystery boxes, or if you stick with boxes like A1A where it's something different every single month. All right, take care. See you soon. Bye for now.